Greetings and welcome to another episode of My Natural Life, where we inspire your mind, body, and spirit the natural way. I'm your host and trail guide, Vicente Harrison, and I'm here to show you simple ways that you can integrate nature into your everyday life for overall health and wellness. On this episode of My Natural Life, we wanted to appreciate the beauties of fall by spending time with family. There are many different ways you can commemorate our planet's transition into autumn. Things like taking a walk through your local woods or forest to see the conversion of fall leaves, or filling your home with the wonderful smells of fall. Do something simple by fallifying your wardrobe. And for this episode, our preference was flannels. Now, the fall activity that we're highlighting today is one of my favorites, and that's going to one of your local farms or farmers markets, taking in the scenery and picking some freshly harvested autumn items. So join us as our extended My Natural Life family takes in the beautiful Bellevue Berry Farm in Bellevue, Nebraska to usher in the fall season. Fall, or autumn, is the season of the year between summer and winter, during which temperatures gradually decrease. It is a time of harvest, turning leaves, and cooling temperatures. It is a perfect time to regroup and recharge with family. Our families took time to break bread and eat together, because when families sit down together, it helps them handle stresses of daily life and the hassles of day-to-day existence. Of course, the brother-in-laws and even a grandpa had a chance to check in on each other's wellness, and surely some football was on the agenda. Bellevue Berry Farm's fire pit was just right for the sunny but crisp and cool morning before the entire family jumped on the wagon for a ride through the pumpkin patch. We captured the occasion with family photos. Can't forget the kids, ending with a family portrait. This was such a special day for our family that they even took time to shout out their favorite show to help us sign off. This is not your scripted reality show, but this is
My Natural Life.
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 Until we meet again, stay peaceful, stay healthy, and stay natural.